Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video. Where in today's one, we're taking a look at the Whop website. I'll be explaining to you guys how can you permanently delete the application that you've put on your Whop. So let's jump right into it. Now, this process is pretty simple. All you need to do first of all is head on to the home page of your Whop account. In the bottom left corner, you'll click on your profile picture down here. And from the left hand side, make sure to click on dashboard. Click on your applications. Now this is a new WAP, so this is what it looks like this. However, head onto the home page, and now let's see and pick any app that I have added. Here I've added a calendar booking application. In order to delete it, click on this little setting icon or tuning icon and scroll all the way down until you see the danger zone, which says delete, permit to delete this app from this swap. So once you click on that one, it will ask you, are you sure? You will click on delete app. And as you can see, the app has been successfully removed. You can always add it back by clicking on add application. However, that is the simplest way to delete your apps on WAP. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for following along. If you found it helpful, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.